You must have heard the name of drone camera, but you must have never seen a drone camera coming out from inside a phone. Samsung is going to make this dream of ours come true. According to the leaks, it has been revealed that Samsung is working on a drone camera smartphone, and it is being told that the work on this phone has been finished, and this phone will be launched globally in this year. In this phone, front camera will not be provided. Instead, a 200 megapixel mini drone camera will be provided in the upper part of the phone, which can be flown to some distance with the help of the phone and take photos and videos. Apart from this, upcoming smartphone of Samsung, the most powerful mobile processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite, is going to be seen. In today's video, we will give information about the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's start. Features of Samsung drone camera phone. In this upcoming smartphone of Samsung, a better large-size display screen is going to be available. This Samsung phone has a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic Super AMOLED, whose resolution is 1440 x 3088 pixels and 500 pixels per inch screen density. Apart from this, it will also include a refresh rate of 144 Hz, touch sampling rate of 390 Hz, in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP69 rating. Camera setup. The most talked about feature in this upcoming smartphone of Samsung is its drone camera. Because this phone has the features of drone camera. A drone selfie camera will be seen on the front of this phone. This phone has a 200 megapixel wide-angle flying drone camera, which you will be able to fly with the help of your phone and record photos and videos. Apart from this, triple camera setup is also going to be available on the back side of the phone, in which 108 megapixel wide-angle primary camera, 48 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and 12 megapixel telephoto camera with 5x zoom can be provided. Battery backup. This drone camera smartphone of Samsung company is giving a big battery backup of 7500 mAh. Apart from this, it will also have 125-watt wireless charging support, 50-watt wireless charging support, and 25-watt reverse charging support. Processor. Talking about the processor, according to the information, Qualcomm's latest processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite, will be given in it. And as an operating system, Android 15 is going to be seen. Price or launch date. Talking about the price, its price can be around $2,000. Talking about the launch date, no official information has been received about it till now. But according to leaks, it can be introduced in the end of 2025.